Hi there, Kendra Tolbert here. I'm a registered dietitian and yoga teacher, and I specialize in women's health and fertility. And today I have a first trimester prenatal yoga sequence for you. I hope that this practice leaves you feeling calm, connected, and grounded. For today's practice, I do recommend that you have a cushion nearby as a prop. I will be using this Brentwood Home Crystal Cove Pranayama cushion, which Brentwood Home so graciously gifted to me. So go ahead and grab your cushion or pillow, roll out your mat, and let's get started. Take a seat at the center of your mat in a cross-legged position and check in with your lower back. If you notice any rounding in your lower back, I invite you to sit on the edge of your pillow or cushion. Place one hand at the center of your chest and the other on your lower abdomen. Breathe deeply here. As you breathe in deeply and exhale fully, notice the rise and fall of your chest. Notice the rise and fall of your lower abdomen. Breathe here. Release your hands to your knees or thighs. Then place them behind you for support as you change the cross of your feet, placing the back foot in front and the front foot in back. Inhale to raise your arms up to shoulder height. Flex your wrists, allowing your palms to face away from you, fingertips pointing up towards the sky. Then begin to make circles with your wrists and hands. Attention still on your breath. Change the direction of your circles. Breathe deeply here. Come back to center, release your arms down, and give them a good shake. Slowly, make your way onto your hands and your knees, spine long, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Curl your right toes under and slide your right foot back, right leg long. Breathe deeply here as you focus on keeping your hips level. Lift your right leg. Right foot is flexed so that your toes are pointing down towards the mat. Hips are still level. Reach your left hand forward, alongside your ear. Bring your left hand back down to the mat. Right knee comes back in. Back onto all fours. Curl your left toes under and slide your left foot back, hips level, spine long. Lift your left foot, left toes pointing down. Reach your right hand forward. Breathe here. Bring your right hand back down. Left knee comes back down. And prepare to come into child's pose. I encourage you to grab your cushion or pillow and place it on top of your shins. Big toes together, knees wide. Then sit your hips back onto your prop or onto your heels. Reach your hands forward and rest your forehead down onto the mat. Breathe here. Slowly bring your forehead off the mat. Walk your hands back towards your knees and bring your torso up. Remove your prop from under your hips and place them right behind your toes. Come back onto your hands and your knees and bring your feet out as wide as your knees. Then curl your toes under. Lift your knees, lift your hips, pointing them up and back for downward facing dog. You can rest your heels onto your prop if that feels good to you. Then walk your hands back to meet your feet. And if your heels are up on your prop, bring your feet down to the floor. Bend your knees generously and roll up to come to standing. Hands down by your sides. Place one hand at the center of your chest and the other on your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and breathe here. Release your hands down by your sides. Make sure you feel stable in your stance. Exhale to bend your knees. Inhale to lift your arms up by your ears for chair pose. Inhale, straighten your legs. Exhale to circle your arms down. Place your hands onto your hips. And on your next inhale, rise up onto the ball of your feet. And as you exhale, lower. Inhale to rise, and exhale to lower. Continue inhaling and rising, exhaling and lowering at your own pace. Last time. Bring your hands by your sides. Exhale, bend. Inhale, arms come up for chair pose. Breathe here. Inhale to straighten your legs. Exhale, circle your arms down. Hands come to your hips again. As you inhale, come onto the balls of your feet. Exhale to lower. Inhale up. Exhale down. And continue this inhaling up and exhaling down at your own pace. Last time. Release your hands by your sides. Exhale to bend your knees. Inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Inhale, straighten your legs. Exhale, circle your arms down. Inhale, circle up. Exhale, circle down as you hinge forward at the hips, reaching down towards the mat. Bend your knees, then walk your hands forward and come back onto your hands and your knees. Lift your knees, send your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Feel free to rest your heels on your prop if that feels good to you. Lower your knees down to the mat. Walk your hands back so they're under your shoulders and uncurl your toes. If you'd like to, grab your cushion or pillow and place it between your hips and your calves. Bring your big toes together, your knees out wide, and rest your hips back onto your cushion or pillow or onto your heels. Rest your forehead onto the mat and reach your arms forward. Close your eyes and breathe here in your child's pose. Slowly, make your way up, back onto your hands and your knees. Set your prop off to the side. Take a seat with your knees bent and the soles of your feet flat on the floor. Then lie back. With your knees still bent and the soles of your feet still on the floor, walk your heels in closer to your bottom, arms down by your sides. On your next exhale, lift your hips. And as you inhale, lower them. Exhale to lift your hips. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Continue exhaling and lifting, inhaling and lowering at your own pace. Last time. Bring your knees together and walk your feet out as wide as your mat. Place one hand at the center of your chest and the other on your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and rest here. You might have heard that it's not safe to lie on your back during pregnancy. And while that can be true for some women, later on in their pregnancy, there is no need for concern here. But of course, always listen to your body. Place your hands down onto the mat, palms up. Breathe here. Walk your feet in together towards one another, then roll over onto your side, knees bent. When you're ready, slowly press yourself up to come to a comfortable cross-legged position, once again sitting on the edge of your prop for support. Place one hand at the center of your chest and the other on your lower abdomen. As you breathe deeply here, consider the connection between you and your breath, you and your baby, you and the earth, and you and every other woman who is practicing this practice right now. You are not alone. Release your hands. Inhale to circle your arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands come to the center of your chest. Thank yourself for moving and breathing today. And I thank you for allowing me to guide you in today's practice. Be well, and bye for now.